How do you prove remorse for leniency in court? Imagine standing in front of a judge, trying to show that you truly regret what happened. It's not just about saying you're sorry. It's about convincing the court that your feelings are real and meaningful. When a defendant wants a lighter sentence, showing remorse can be a big help. But how do you actually prove it? That's what we're here to explore. First, courts look for actions that show genuine regret. An unprompted apology to the victim, whether spoken in court or written, can make a difference. It shows you're taking responsibility and understand the impact of your actions. Paying restitution or doing community service also demonstrates you're trying to make amends. These concrete steps can speak louder than words alone. Accepting responsibility is another key factor. If you admit guilt clearly and without hesitation, it can be seen as a sign of remorse. Showing that you've changed your behavior is equally important. Attending counseling, addiction programs, or educational classes shows a real effort to improve. Sometimes, testimony from family, friends, or professionals about your character and efforts to change can help the court see your sincerity. From a defense perspective, it's important to be careful. If you maintain innocence, expressing remorse might seem risky. It could be seen as an admission of guilt and hurt your case. But if you plead guilty, showing remorse is generally safer and can lead to a better sentence. Many defendants give a statement called allocution, where they tell the court how they feel and what they've done to make things right. Preparation is vital. Defense lawyers often help craft these statements to be honest but avoid admitting facts that could harm the case later. Letters from employers, counselors, or community members can support claims of remorse by showing positive actions and character. These pieces of evidence can paint a picture of someone who is truly sorry and willing to change. Judges vary in how they view remorse. Some will give lighter sentences if they see genuine regret. Others might not increase punishment if remorse isn't shown, especially if guilt is clear. A few judges may even see a lack of remorse as a reason for a harsher sentence. But legally, a person cannot be punished just for claiming innocence. In federal court, acceptance of responsibility is a formal part of sentencing. Pleading guilty and showing real remorse can lead to a reduction in the sentence under the federal sentencing guidelines. It's a way to show the court you're taking steps to accept what happened. There are risks too. Showing remorse after a guilty plea might limit your ability to appeal later. Being emotionless or unresponsive in court can be seen as a lack of remorse, which might hurt your case. That's why it's important to work with your lawyer to decide the best approach. Every case is different, and the goal is to balance showing sincerity with protecting your legal rights. In the end, proving remorse isn't just about words. It's about actions, attitude, and evidence that demonstrate true regret and a desire to make things right. For those navigating the criminal justice system, understanding how to effectively show remorse can make a real difference in the outcome of sentencing.